So I'm going to explain this in detail. Many of you may be watching this video directly on YouTube. Many of you may be watching this video because I have shared this link after you contacted me on WhatsApp. Okay. So if you're watching this video directly on YouTube and you have not contacted me on WhatsApp, then also it's fine. And maybe there is a more chance that you have contacted me on WhatsApp, and just to save the timing, I am sharing this video with you so that you can know everything in detail, right? So guys, see, if you're targeting for GATE 2023, this is the last batch I am starting. So I have started this batch on 5th October. So today it is 12th October, and I have covered thermodynamics and gas dynamics, some portions, and some portions are remaining in gas dynamics. Okay, means what? Thermodynamics and roughly you can say half gas dynamics got over. Remaining subjects are there to take in the live class. Now fees is 5k and this is under offer, and the same thing what I am teaching in 45k batch, same thing I will be covering in this syllabus. Okay, October, November, December and January, 4 months are remaining. So see, every day you will be having live class on Zoom, and when you will be taking admission, when you will be paying fees 5k, after that I'll be giving you Zoom ID, password, credentials, and every day we'll be having live session for the doubt. Okay, now every day you have to solve 4 to 5 test series, topic wise test series I'm talking. I have actually 400 test series. In that 400 test series, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise and full length test series I have given. Okay, currently I don't remember how many topic wise, chapter wise and subject wise I have, but I remember that total 30 full length is there. So out of 400 you subtract 30, so remaining 370 test series are for topic wise and chapter wise and subject wise. I hope you are very clear now. For 2022 GATE 2022, I gave 275 test series only. In that 15 was full length test series. Okay, now for 2023 I am increasing the number, and in same way for 2024 I will further increase the number. Now one more thing I want to mention here, this 5k course, why cost is very less now, because only 4 months are remaining, and anyway you guys are going to complete everything 100% syllabus, but number of hours taken in live class will be more, days in the week will be more, right? That's why we can complete our syllabus. Now Jan month 30 full length test series you have to solve, and one more thing, for every test series, like for example suppose this is 12th October, and in live class I'll be taking moving shock wave. Tonight we have a topic moving shock wave, so next day students will be writing test series on moving shock wave, and some other topics whatever I'll be covering in tonight class. Tomorrow they'll be writing a test series on that topic. That is topic wise test series, don't be confused, that is only topic wise test series. Okay, roughly you can say 4 to 5 test series they'll be taking. It depends how many topics we are covering in the live class, right? Then tomorrow evening at 10:30, evening night time 10:30, we'll be discussing all the questions of that test series. It depends on the doubts of the student. If students are not having any doubt in any test series, I will not discuss that test series, because this is the pattern. If anyone is having doubt in any test series, I'll be discussing that test series in detail. Okay, and of course to my regular batch students, I used to scold also in live class that how can you not solve this numerical, right? Because crash course batch students, they are fine, okay, no problem, I will not scold them. But regular batch students, I have taught them everything in detail. They have done all the assignment, they have done all the test series, but still if they are having doubt in a similar question, okay, that is secondary. Now all study material you will be getting, and all study material means whatever I have given in 45k batch, all the study material you'll be getting same thing, because same access I'll be giving you too. Now see here, only online access is possible. You cannot download any PDF, you cannot download any videos or message or anything. You need a good internet access. Nowadays everyone is having Geo or internet or Wi-Fi or something. So no problem. Till now, whatever students have enrolled, they all are having internet issues. So internet issue is your personal issue. If you don't have internet, then it is not my problem. But I hope you can arrange internet. Now, I will suggest you to visit live classes, because live classes are there in 5K. Okay, I will suggest you. Timing will be 7 p.m. evening. We are starting the live class, and we are finishing the first session at 8:30 p.m. Then we are taking dinner break 8:30 to 9:30. After that, 9:30 to 10:30 again we have class, and so you can see 1.5 hour here and 1 hour here. So 2.5 hour class you have every day. Now in this, from 10:30 onwards, you will be having unlimited doubt session. Now try to get this logic. What is unlimited doubt session? Unlimited doubt session means, suppose tonight I am teaching moving shock wave. Okay. Now in live class, suppose your name is Rahul, just an example, or your name is Nikita. Okay. So suppose you are sitting in the live class, and you are understanding moving shock wave, and you are that kind of student who is asking doubt in live class, that sir, you please again this topic, sir, you please again this explain this topic, sir, please again this topic, explain this topic. So I am trying to explain the topic in live class, but you could not understand the logic. Then I will say that okay, after the class, because see, from my side itself, I used to ask to all the students, do you have any doubt, do you have any doubt, in live class itself, right? But suppose any student is actually not able to understand that whatever time I am giving live class, he or she is not able to understand. So in that case, I will say that okay, after 10:30, once class gets over, you stay with me, don't leave the Zoom meeting, and that I am saying as unlimited doubt session. Okay, you will be having complete freedom. You can ask, because see guys, I have 24-hour dedicated for GATE Aerospace. Okay, this is my main source of income. Teaching aerospace is my passion. It's been 8+ years I am teaching GATE Aerospace. 6 times I have qualified GATE exam. First time I was not qualified, but after that 6 times I have qualified GATE exam. So it's been, you can see, 15+ years I have given into academics of GATE Aerospace. I have very good experience. You can use that for your growth. So because I am totally into this and I earn sufficiently from GATE Aerospace, that's why I don't do anything else. That's why I keep unlimited doubt session. I am not a part-time teacher that who is working in some company, and in free time for earning some more money I am teaching, or just to fulfill my interest I am teaching. No, I am dedicated teacher for GATE Aerospace. Next part. So I hope you understood unlimited doubt session. Now see, in the same unlimited doubt session, I used to discuss complete test series discussion. Okay, complete test series means, for example, like tonight we'll be discussing test series, I forgot, I think 18, 19, yeah, 18, 19, 20 and 20, no, sorry, we are discussing 17, 18, 19 will be discussing in December month, because it is similar like 18 and 17, and 20 and 21, 4 test series we are discussing tonight. So when we'll be discussing, so today whole day and afternoon and evening, my students who have joined me already, they will be writing these test series till 21. Okay, so after taking test series, they will analyze the test series. After that, they will find that okay, they are having doubt in this question, in that question. So those questions we will be discussing live, even though solution is given there, and not only written solution. For many questions I have given video solutions also, and I am keep on increasing video solution as per suggestions. Like some students used to suggest me that sir, for this question you make a video solution and you add in the website, so that, because this is a good question. So sometimes whatever I have felt that it is tough question, I have given video solution, but sometimes I am adding extra video solutions also for any other questions suggested by students. Now, fees will not be returned at any cost. Why I am saying this? Under any circumstances, I will not return the fees, because I have very bad experiences. Students are being sick. They are not doing study for 1 month, and after that they are asking, sir, return my fees. Then they are saying, sir, whatever you can return, sir, you return my fees. In 5K, I can't return the fees, right? So this is the problem. Next thing, there is admission process. So you have to fill the admission form, and then you have to register on my website. See, every day I am getting registration on my website. See guys, my website for GATE Aerospace is not for information purpose for what is GATE and blah blah things, what is the benefit of having GATE. No, I don't put those things on my website. My website is exactly neat and clean, and that is only to take test series. Okay, my website is not loaded with content. Content I am uploading on YouTube and in the classroom. I don't because whatever I want to share, I directly come to YouTube, I share. On my website, you will be taking only test series. Now, point is, if you will register on my website without paying payment, that time because that is taken as a unknown user, so you cannot access anything on website. It will show you your username and ID password is wrong. So first you have to pay the amount. After that only you can access the website, because I will approve from my side. I will make sure that who is Rahul, who is Nikita. After that only I will you can access the test series, right? Okay. Now, two more terms and conditions are there. Once you will be ready for the admission purpose, once your mind is set, then I will. Okay, watch the complete video. I have some more informations here. Okay, don't leave the video. Watch the complete video. No other hidden charges. Only 5K you have to pay. Now next, we started the batch on 15th October. Whatever classes you have missed, that you will cover using videos. Videos will be available after every class next day. Suppose tonight I am taking any class, so that video will be available next day. Okay. 100% syllabus will be covered. Again, I am saying you guys should come to the live class, so that in live class itself you can finish your doubt. Many students, they are not coming to live class, they are watching the video, so it is not good. You come to live class. Okay. Anyway, it's your wish. Extra topics will be 100% syllabus I'll cover. Okay, after that extra topics also I'll cover. That topics will be important for MS and PhD interviews, right? That topic I'll take in the live class itself. See, I'm saying you whatever I'm teaching in the live class, right, for 45K batch, everything I'll be teaching you here also. Number of hours and number of days are more. Now I'm repeating again what are the things I'm getting. Live class, videos, doubt sessions, test series 400 with solution, and live class test series discussion. Whatever test series discussion you have missed, suppose you are watching this video today or after 10 days of my upload, after 20 days, after 1 month or 2 months, in that case so many test series discussions you are missing, right? So many live classes you are missing. So live classes you are covering with the videos, but test series discussion you cannot attend, because those many test series discussions got over. So whatever test series are remaining, that discussion you can definitely attend. Okay, and here is the catch point. So let me complete this. You will cover by your own using solution given. I mean those test series I am talking, because solution is already given. Even if you are joining very late, like November month or December month, you must join this course in 5K, because at least you can attend live classes for full length test series. Because guys, in full length test, 30 full length test series, you can't even imagine if you are solving 30 full length test series, lot of hell amount of knowledge you'll be getting, and tricks and tips also, right? So 5K is not a big deal. It is less cost than your mobile phone. So don't hesitate, pay the amount and let's work on this. Okay. Many of you may be hesitating, sir, should I join or not? Should I join or not? Because it is last time. Okay. Whatever in prakar, and you have to qualify GATE exam. 5K is not a big deal. That's why I have reduced the cost, so that all the poor, anyone can join the course. Test series itself is designed in such a way that you can complete every single topic, and it is extremely helpful. Now, if you are watching this video very late, kind of mid of December or January initial days, then test series discussion and solution will help you a lot. Okay, so contact me directly on WhatsApp. 6380135 is my WhatsApp number. Don't call me directly, I will not respond. If I will be free, then only I will respond. Okay, so let's meet on WhatsApp. I hope you have understood everything in detail. I made this video so that because whenever query is coming, I don't want to talk to everyone, because the main point is everyone will not take admission. So that's why, and everyone will not ask all the important questions, but in this topic I have covered everything. So students used to ping me 4 or 5 times, so it is kind of disturbance. So I hope this video I have explained everything, but still if something is remaining, feel free to ask me on WhatsApp, right? That's all from my side. Don't miss the last opportunity. Let's meet on WhatsApp.